If you love food and culture and enjoy a good adventure, then join me as we explore the market. Welcome to the market, my friends. It's a feast for the senses here. Just look around. Colors popping everywhere, from the bright, juicy fruits to the dazzling spices. Can you hear that? The lively chatter, the laughter, and the occasional call of a vendor trying to sell you the freshest produce? Oh, and the smells. It's like a symphony of aromas. Freshly baked bread, tangy citrus, and spices that make your taste buds dance. You can almost taste the sweetness of the mangoes and the zest of the pineapples just by walking past. And let's not forget the people. Everyone here is so friendly and full of life. You can see the passion in the eyes of the vendors, each one eager to share their story and their craft. It's not just about buying food, it's about connecting with the culture and the community. So next time you're looking for an adventure and some delicious eats, think of the market. It's more than just a place to shop. It's an experience. See you next time, food lovers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious journeys.